What's up and welcome to our today's video. Ayan, ang gagawin natin sa ating video today is we are gonna be replacing our air filter. It's just a simple replacement. So it's just a bolt-on installment. Ilalagay lang natin to. There's actually two. And so yeah, another thing that we are going to install is our fourth brake light. Ayan, this goes right here. Kung makikita nyo yan, hold on. Dito siya, guys. Ayan ang ating ayan siya. So i-install natin to. Ano? Umuulan? Okay lang yan. Okay. Let's install this bad boys. Ayan, look at that. K&N boys. K&N. Ayan. K&N. Ayan. Let's see. What? I just broke my cutter, boys. Sira yung cutter. Wait. Meron tayong... Love! Kenny! Saan si baby? Oops. Ito si baby. Please meet our little guy.
Ano?
Kita mo yung pipelo pala.
Tada!
And there's my beautiful wife. Look. Look.
Ah.
Pogi, pogi.
Let's go na. Bye.
Tutok kami doon.
Okay, wait.
Dyan? May food ikaw? Ano yung food mo? Rice? Nice. Oh my gosh! Hello and welcome back to our channel. Kasama natin si Mrs. Cranky.
Today we're gonna go in cine.
Ayan, papunta tayo sa Galaxy Cinemas. Manonood tayo ng Fast and Furious 9.
Fast 1 to
Fast 9.
Fast 1 to Fast 9.
Fast 9, ayan.
That's a long one.
Ayan, we've been waiting for this day para panoorin yon. Lahat kami kasi gustong gusto namin yon.
Oh no,
Si
it's 10:29.
Makulit at saka si Mrs. Cranky. Ayan. So, yeah, we'll see you guys there. We are almost there. We're actually late. It's already 10:29 and that starts at 10:30. So, yes, see you. Yo guys. Puno ang ating Fast 9. How about Hitman's Bodyguard? Na lang muna. And then bukas na lang yung Fast 9. Full na yung Fast 9, anak.
Wait, tingin natin. 10-10. 10-10 yung
Start. No, nag-start na yan.
What? Wala distance.
Oh my goodness. Seriously? Dang.
Wala, huwag na muna tayo mag-watch. Ano? Pangit yung, pangit yung upuan natin, nakaganyan tayo. Gusto mo yun? Tsaka hindi siya 3D.
Ro, may nahayayap.
Lagawa mo na.
Okay. Let's try again. So, bibili na lang tayo, ano? Wednesday, June 30. Oh, insert daw.
Tap.
Yeah. Yan. Check mo na. Uy, check mo na. Ano siya? Sabi niya, June 30.
10:30.
Manood na lang tayo ng America's Got Talent. Alright, boys. Ayan. Sure ball na tayo. Nasa pinakataas-taas tayo.
Joker na.
ng-
Alas.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Oh, ang ganda, baby! Listen, nakita mo yung car? Ang ganda. No? Nag-enjoy
Parang ang
ka?
sad mo naman sa winatch mo, baby.
Listen, nakita mo? Nakausap mo ba si Molcat? So ayan, nakita nyo naman. Tara na.
Stupid.
Na-close tayo ang sinaplas.
So uwi na tayo. Napasyo tayo. Bukas, sure ball na yung ating ticket.
Tapos mawala.
Huwag mo iwawala to. Dun
Sana
sa-
ako na mag-hold.
Sa pinakataas to.
Mami,
Sana yun, anak. Baka mawala, hindi ka makasama. Sana.
No, let's go. Magano na lang tayo, budget meriendahan. Let's go to McDonald's. Hello guys, ayan, it's the next day na. We didn't get to watch the movie last night kasi yun nga, puno na, no? So, today we are going to watch Fast 9, di ba, Vivi?
yeah?
We already bought our tickets. But anyway, we are actually gonna work more on our
370 said.
370 said. At ang lalagay natin today is yung ating fourth brake light. Ayan. Get mo nga yung box na. So, papalitan natin yan. Ilalagay natin yung nasa na ba yun? Okay, yan. Ang ating first thing that we need to do is to remove our passenger side tail light, ano, kasi dito tayo mag-splice ng wire. So, first we have to remove these panels. And then dito, itong weather strip. And once na ma-reach or magka-access tayo dun sa loob, then tanggalin lang natin yung 10mm bolts ng headlight, then we can pull it out. Then we can start splicing our fourth brake light. It's just gonna be an easy process. Only hard thing is itong pagtanggal ng mga to. So yeah, let's begin!
Akala ko.
Okay, so ito yung ating, here is our brake light or fork brake light or fog light, they call it whatever you want. It has 4 wires, the black, the white, the red, and the green. So basically, tuturo ko lang sa inyo paano siya at saan siya i-match yung mga wirings niya. Let's get closer. So this is our tail light, ano. So dito itong tape na to, black tape, then tanggalin nyo yan, then this is where we're gonna do our splicing. The black wire of our fork brake light connects to the black right here. Ayan. Black to black. The red wire of our fork brake light goes to the green. Ayan, green. And then yung green goes to the red. Okay? It's the opposite. It's not just because it's green, no. And then the white wire of our brake light, let's call it brake light, goes to where? Right here. The other wiring. Kanina nandito tayo. So it goes to here, and it's the green and white wire. It has green and white. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Zoom. Ayan, so we're gonna do our splicing now. And we are also gonna solder the wires, so hindi siya basta-basta matatanggal. So let's begin. Okay, boys. Naglobat kanina yung ating camera and just got back to, I just had my haircut, so pinatrim ko lang para ma-prepare natin yung hair natin sa paghaba niya, no? So we'll just continue now with our install, and then yeah, so right now we're just splicing our wires. So ang gagawin natin, install na natin muna ito. Dito, tanggalin lang natin to from underneath. Tapos, itong wire na is itak na natin siya paloob. Ayan, kung makikita nyo dito, dyan. Ayan. Dyan. Hindi mo makita, madilim. So anyway, so i-stuck natin dyan para may splice na natin yung mga wires natin sa ating tail light and masolder na natin. So, yeah, let's the time lapse begin. Let's go, boy! Okay, time out muna. This is why kailangan magsuot ka ng mga safety gears, ano, kasi nakasuklab ako dyan. And nahulog sa akin itong long nose, no? So nahulog sa aking mata. Kita nyo naman, aray ko, nasugat din tayo. So una nasugat ako, and then nabitawan ko yung long nose sa mata ko. But we're still lucky enough na hindi mismo sa mata. So, yan. Lesson learned. Boys, you need to always wear a safety gear. Lalo na't pag nakasuklab kang ganun sa ilalim. Let's wear safety glasses, boys.